Is it giving?
Did you come alone? Do you have a date? Just spill the tea. You say you're doing fine, but you wonder how life would be with me. Pure fantasy. To be fair, I don't wanna waste your time. No, no, no. And I'm ready for someone like you. You impress me, enthrall me. I don't think there's anyone better. You intrigue me, it's charming. I see that nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else matters.
Who knew? Me and you, we stuck like glue. I do. I'ma ride or die for you. You on my mind. Baby, don't waste no time. Just hit my line. Let me upgrade your life. Baby, I won't rush ya. You're my boo like Usher. Need your soul like supper. The type to meet your mother. I'm saying, baby, let's kick it. I got the bag and I spend it. You won't need no other if I was your lover.
You impress me, enthrall me. I don't think there's anyone better. You intrigue me, it's charming. I see that nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else matters. Ooh, yeah.
New Sony cow, nothing else matters.
What you staring at? Haven't seen you around. Don't look away. Get close to me. I guess it's been a while. You always look like that. Penny for your thoughts. Sitting next to me. To be fair, I don't wanna waste your time. No. And I'm ready for someone like you. You impress me, enthrall me. I don't think there's anyone better. You intrigue me, it's charming. I see that nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else matters. Fancy running into you. Did you come alone? Do you have a date? Just spill the tea. You say you're doing fine, but you wonder how life would be with me. Pure fantasy. To be fair, I don't wanna waste your time. No, no, no. And I'm ready for someone like you. You impress me, enthrall me. I don't think there's anyone better.
I'ma ride or die for you. You on my mind. Baby, don't waste no time. Just hit my line. Let me upgrade your life. Baby, I won't rush ya. You're my boo like Usher. Feed your soul like supper. The type to meet your mother. I'm saying, baby, let's kick it. I got the bag and I spend it. You won't need no other if I was your lover.
You impress me, enthrall me. I don't think there's anyone better. You intrigue me, it's charming. I see that nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else, nothing else matters. Nothing else, nothing else matters.
Hi guys, I'm back again. I just finished filming this look for my TikTok and Instagram and it looks good. I don't have lashes on. I also don't have an eyeshadow palette, but I made it work. Is it working? I don't know if I like the quality of the camera. I don't know if my setting is not good, but I'm not really feeling the setting, so I might switch to my phone. But let me know what you think about the look. Is it giving? I'm feeling myself. I think I will start doing makeup for myself every day because it just makes you feel good. I got a few items from Sephora and a few outfits too, so I just want to show them to you guys. This is the bag. It's cute. And I didn't bring any of my bags. Like, I have very cute bags in Ghana, but I left them. I didn't bring not even one. I brought 2 bags and they are all tote bags. I didn't bring any cute bag. Like, so I got this black bag. You can never go wrong with a black or white bag, and this was 29 dirham. So I'm happy that I got it. The next thing I got was this shirt. Very nice shirt. It looks like it's silk, but it's not silk. It has a very nice texture. And the next thing is this 2-piece. This is a 2-piece outfit. This is the top. This is the top. It's supposed to be loose on your body, and I don't know if you guys have realized I don't like wearing cut-out clothes. Like, it's not really my thing, you know. I love wearing like baggy stuffs. So here's the down. When I wear this, yeah, the way this outfit looks good on me. I can't wait to wear it. And this is the last outfit I got. This, I think this one is 40 dirham. So I can pair this with a very nice top that I have. And I don't know if you guys watched you see the outfits I wore to the mall in my previous video. The green shorts, it was not short, it looks like green pants, loose pants. Yeah, that's the type of pants that I really love. I love baggy jeans. Talking about baggy jeans, yes, I have to show you guys this new jeans that I got. I also got this baggy jeans. And I got this for 95 dirham. It's really big, but it's nice. It's nice. I also got this. This is also 30 dirham. This is not expensive. It's really nice, but it's transparent. That's the problem. It's transparent. It's nice. It's be nice for maybe wearing it at night. I also got this basic top. It's just a basic top. I got it in blue. I've worn the blue. Yesterday I wore the blue to the mall. This is 24 dirham. I want to pair this. I would definitely pair this top with the baggy jeans because I know it will slap. Now I'm done with the outfits. A baggy jeans, 2 shorts, white and black, and then 1 basic top, 1 shirt, and then a 2-piece. Yeah, that's all I have for now. And let me show you the items I bought yesterday from Sephora. I bought the all-nighter setting spray, and I also bought the iconic, this is the iconic Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in shade mahogany. It's in shade mahogany, and I use the bronzer, and you guys can see how my makeup is eating. Yeah, I told you guys in my previous video, yeah, that I will get the Dior lip oil, and I got it. Let me show you guys how it actually looks. This is actually a lip tint, and it looks so good. Like, I don't want to throw the packaging away because it's expensive. Okay, the packaging comes with the price. So that was all for today. I'm just going to, maybe I want to go to Starbucks and read a book, edit my YouTube, or do something. Or I should go to the pool side. I also want to go to the pool. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. So this is the end of my mini haul. I'm going to get something to eat. If I do something interesting later, I'll let you guys know. If not, I'll see you tomorrow or in another video.
It's a Madonna on the beat.
Hey, I like it how you screaming on window chopper. The lady might be a Lady Gaga. She treated me like a monster. Baby, she the monster. I remember you promised me a dog style. Now you screaming, whoa. Baby, she a whoa. I used to be the juice. I used to be the staff. My baby, she a monster. Baby, she a monster. She never give me dog style. My baby, she a monster. My baby, she a monster. She never give me dog style. I'm a 19. I like it something. Give me something. Please call me big thing. Don't call me small thing. I'm gonna scream when I see you in that dream. Why you make this story go long? Don't freak me out, just make it easy, babe. Easy on mind. Oh la la, yeah. My baby, she a monster. My baby, she a monster. She never give me dog style.